Hey, what's up guys? Kiran here from TechGadgetNow. We are hearing a lot of details on upcoming Galaxy Note 10 and its variants. Recently, a hands-on photo was leaked on one of the YouTube channel. It's all great to know more about upcoming devices. Things that we know for now are Note 10 will be having two variants. One is Note 10 itself and another is Note 10 Plus. Note 10 will be having a 6.3-inch display and the Plus variant will be having a 6.7-inch display. To talk about configurations, Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will have Snapdragon 855 in US and Exynos 9825 in Asian and European markets. Exxon had an Exynos 9820 variant, which was a 8nm chip, but the Exynos 9825 variant will be a 7nm to match its Snapdragon 855. As we know, the Exynos variant of the S10 was not on par with the Snapdragon variant, so Samsung is trying to fix that with the Exynos 9825. Hope it works. Other confirmed details are that the dual camera setup that was used in Galaxy S10 Plus won't be used in Note 10. The Note 10 will be having a single front camera. The front camera in the Galaxy Note 10 will be at the center, not on the right side as the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now let's talk about the back camera setup in the Galaxy Note 10. As we have seen in the Galaxy S10 5G, it had quad camera setup at the back. So Galaxy Note 10 Plus is expected to follow the same. It will also be having a quad camera setup at the back as the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G. We are also hearing rumors that the Galaxy Note 10 will be having a 5G variant. Let's now talk about the bad news. Till now, Samsung was following a trend of including headphone jacks in their flagship smartphones, including Galaxy S10. But now things are going to change. Samsung is also starting to follow Apple by removing the headphone jack in the upcoming Galaxy Note 10. This we can say is a tactics to sell more of their Galaxy Buds. But it's a disappointment for Note series fans, as Note series phones are known to have all the bells and whistles anyone expects. Let's talk about battery now. So there are two variants coming for Galaxy Note 10, that is Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So Note 10 will be having a 4100 mAh battery and Note 10 Plus will be having a 4500 mAh battery. Let's talk price now. As the trend goes, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was priced at $999 on the launch, that is 67,900 rupees in India, but the Note 10 is expected to change that. Note 10 would be priced at $999 and the Plus variant will be having $1099 in US. So guys, what are your thoughts on upcoming Galaxy Note 10? Please share those in the comments below. So launch date of Galaxy Note 10 is confirmed on August 7th and we will be covering the same in live. So stay subscribed to TechGadget now and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching and bye bye now.